फेब्रुवारी 2018 वर्सा सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान काडिल्ल्या आदेशाप्रमाण गोंयच्यो खणी बंद उडयल्ल्यो। तातूंत दिवचलची सेसा मायनिंग कंपनीचो आस्पाव आशिल्लो। मात मे 2022 वर्सा कंपनी खण संचालनालया वतीन आयिल्ल्या नोटिसा प्रमाण दिवचल आशिल्ली सेसा कंपनीची खण रिती करपाक सांगिल्ल्यान कामगारांक लेगीत काडून उडोवचें पडलें, अशी माहिती वेदांताच्या अधिकाऱ्यान दिली। पळयात ताचें म्हणणें।
Supreme Court of India, void its order dated 7 February 2018, directed all the mining leaseholder in Goa who had been granted second renewal to stop their mining operations with effective from 16th March 2018 till the fresh mining leases are granted and till fresh environment clearances are granted. In compliance to this order, all the mining operations in Goa stopped from 16 March 2018 onwards, including that at Bicholim iron ore mine, which was then operated by Sesa Mining Corporation Limited. Since March 2018, Sesa Mining Corporation Limited had kept all its workmen and continued to pay appropriate emoluments despite having no opportunity to do mining. In May 2022, company received notice from Director of Mines and Geology, Government of Goa, directing the company to vacate the mining lease premises within a 1 month time, that is by 6 June 2022. With no options left in hand, this prompts Sesa Mining Corporation Limited to seek permission for retrenchment after holding on to all its workforce over a period of 4 years. It is very important to note that Vedanta Limited, a preferred bidder for Bicholim mineral block, despite having no obligations to redeploy SMCL workmen, had warmly welcomed all SMCL workmen to join Vedanta Limited and work productively to ensure the restart of mining operations in Goa. It has been informed choice of 208 workmen after the expiry of 7 days time not to avail the opportunity to join Vedanta Limited, unlike 93 who chose to join Vedanta Limited after acceptance of all the terms and conditions of employment of Vedanta Limited.